You're about to hear a lot more about something called MCP. And if you haven't yet, buckle up, because this might be the next iPhone moment for AI.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yilan. I hope you're doing well. Today it's an episode of Tech Brew. If you've been hanging around developer circles lately, you probably heard people rave about MCP. And if you haven't, you might be already a step behind. But no worries, I'm here to break it down. In one sentence, MCP lets your AI model not just chat, but actually gain access to more features, control tools on your computers or online. Imagine this, you set one line, generate me a cabin model in California, making it realistic in 3D. And boom, AI model research, organize, render, and put together the 3D model for you. We're talking about agent level intelligence, stuff that used to take entire developer teams to build. Now you can do solo. So what exactly is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It was introduced by Anthropic, the team behind Claude, in November 2024. Here's the official definition. A new standard for connecting AI assistant to the systems where data lives. Because currently most sophisticated models are constrained by their isolation from data, MCP addresses this challenge. It provides a universal, open standard for connecting all systems with data source, replace fragmented integration with a single protocol. The result is a simpler, more reliable way to give AI systems access to the data they need. Think of it like a universal adapter for AI model. Just like USB-C, let your laptop connect to anything. MCP let your AI model plug into everything. Now here's the part I love. Before MCP, language models were like a brilliant brain in a jar, super smart but stuck. MCP gives that brain arms, legs, and internet access. Certainly, it can do things, touch file, launch tools, query APIs, run codes. That's why people's freaking out about it. Why is it such a game changer? Well, until now, connecting AI to real-world tool was hard. Every new integration means writing hundreds or even thousands lines of glue code, and each company had their own protocol like SOP, IPX, AppleTalk. Yep, those are real. It wasn't scalable, and unless you were an experienced developer, you were out of luck. But now, MCP acts like a universal translator for models. Doesn't matter what tool system you're using, your model can speak the same language. It's like a Chinese person, a Danish person, and a Spanish person, all speaking in English. That opens up huge possibilities. AI building real products, non-developers wiring up workflow, everyday tools becoming AI controllable. And you don't need years of backend experience to do it. So how does MCP work under the hood? It built on three simple components: the host, the client, and the server. Host, the developer environment that runs the language model. Think of it like the brain of the operating room. It could be a tool like Claude Desktop, VS Code, or WinSF, or a no-code local platform like Define, ANA, or Flawwise. The host loads the model and provides the workspace where everything connects. Client is a module that runs inside the host. This is the part that listens to the AI model's intent and sends task requests out. Platforms like Define, ANA, and VS Code usually have a built-in MCP client model. It listens for instruction like fetch this file or call this API and dispatch those tasks. You can think of it like the translator and dispatcher inside the model's brain. Server is a lightweight application that connects the tools in the real world. This could be a Google Drive, Notion, GitHub, or your calendar, or a custom API. The server exposes those capabilities through MCP so that when your AI says, get this file or write this database, the server makes it happen. In short, you don't need to know how exactly technicality under the hood, just know that the host is the operational environment that runs the AI. The client listens to the AI's intent and dispatches the task. The server executes that task by interacting with real world. MCP is a protocol that defines a standard way for model, tools, and system to communicate. Together, these parts give your AI the power not just to think, but actually act. And you're the one giving its direction. While big tech players like Google, Meta, Amazon haven't officially adopted MCP yet, many in the AI ecosystem, especially startups, open source contributors, and tool builders, are actively building around it. Adoption is growing fast. You can browse examples of MCP clients and servers at modelcontextprotocol.io, where new tools are being added regularly. This might just become the universal way AI control tools. Now I'm curious, do you think MCP is the next big shift in AI or just another shiny protocol? Drop your thoughts in the comment, and if you liked today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one. Bye!